I'm Dr. Sherelle Holiday, and I'm here to show you our at-home use COVID test. If you can do it in the convenience of your home. Come on, I want to show you this. This is our kit, and it comes with 25 in this box. And I want to show you the different parts of it. You start with the specimen. It's just a Q-tip. And what you do with this Q-tip is you put it inside of the nostril, right inside in this area here, and you just kind of swab it around for about 15 seconds. And then you take the Q-tip and you take the top off of this, put the Q-tip down into the solution in here, and you move it around up and down for about 15 seconds. And then you take the Q-tip out and throw it away. And then you put the cap back on and you remove this top here, the clear plastic one. And then you put 2 drops into right here, like this. And then you just go ahead and discard that, and you wait for about 15 minutes, and your result will come up here. And if you're positive, you'll have a line that goes across where the C is, and this one is the test. And you'll have a line go across there, and that is a positive test. Now, if you have one line here, that means it's a negative test.